Now we're going to study our undo and redo actions under our edit menu bar in our toolbar. If we look up here, or in our menu bar, I'm sorry. If we look up here at our Photoshop, we can see on our menu bar here we have edit, and then we have our menus, our options here to undo or to step forward or step backwards. And as you can see, it's like we have can undo right here because I have no actions in my history. If we look down here in my history, the only thing I've done is open this photo. So let's do something here so we can actually use this. We'll hit our brush tool. Let's increase our brush size a bit. And let's just paint a big black mark scribbled over the top of it. So if I want to undo this, I can come up here and hit edit and undo brush tool, which will, undo this for me and take me back to the previous step. The funny thing with undo is it will only undo one action. So if we paint one big black line, let's paint another big black line, and let's paint a white line. Well, if we come up here and hit edit, undo brush tool, it will undo only the last one that we've done, because if you do it again, it will redo it. And this is kind of the option that this is the only option you have. If you want to keep going backwards, you'll have to keep hitting step backwards, which will take you back through your history all the way down. As you can see, it's stepped backwards all the way down to the very first option I have in my history, which was open the photo. So there you have it. Those are your edit options or undo options in your edit drop-down menu, or your edit drop-down file in your menu bar. Just play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.